Hey, I'm just jumping on. Spring is coming, sun is starting to shine, and probably looking to buy a great car at some point. And as there's so much choices you can have, wherever you go, in any plot you ending up, say like here, right? And now you have options to buy the cars online, delivered to your home, and then obviously you pay the money, they're delivering the vehicle, you can have a look, and if you don't like it, you can send it back. But still, your money has been taken, the car is there, and you're finding some surprises later on. And what does it mean to you? You have to phone these people, get the car arranged somewhere to get it fixed. It's your time, it's your money. The end of it, what you want to buy the vehicle, you want to jump in, you want to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. So you don't want to waste your time a few weeks down the line spending in the garage, wasting your time, wasting your valuable time on the phone with the dealer. I'm not saying they are bad, they are good, but it's just not always they know what issues their cars have. Not always they perform in these road tests the way we do. Not always they check the cars the way we do. And therefore we can help you protect yourself of inconvenience mainly, because the little inspection, what we do, and generally will cost you as price for the battery on any particular car you selecting to buy. On some cars maybe slightly more, on some cars greatly less, right? And so that's why we are here, a safe place with great mechanics, ethical, we call them inspectors, right? So they can go out, have a look before you buy your online sale in these times or in the normal times, so we can make sure the car is right. We'll report you every little detail. You have your 9 pictures, audio feedback, video feedback, any detail, approximate repair estimates on a vehicle, which will help you to make sense what you're buying. And would that be a good repair? And you can call back the inspector after inspection. Our reports are instant. So if you're booking somewhere, not booking somewhere, but if you buying a car and placing an order online, right, or you've seen this vehicle and before subject to inspection, if you want to make sure it is right, just book the inspection. Is simple as 1, 2, 3. You can see these cars. Somebody will own them, somebody will drive them, somebody might hate that car, somebody might have problems, somebody might love it. It's a gamble, but many people has been stunned, right? So that's why we are carexamercom. We are the best in the UK. We want to help you, so you can avoid the hassle but enjoy the car. And if it's not right car for you, find another one. Because there are 8 million used cars sold in the UK. There's definitely one for you, and it's not always the first one you want to get. It is the right car for you. Take care.